When using self-erecting tenders in deep water, the rig is moored to a pre-laid mooring system. Using a taut leg system and anchors capable of sustaining vertical lift increases the water depth the rigs can operate in to 4,000 to 6,000 feet. Rigging up on the TLP platform is done using the large 250-ton crane mounted on the tender. First, the master skid is placed on the skid beams of the TLP. All the other drilling equipment required to perform the drilling operation is then installed on the master skid, eliminating the need for any equipment to be placed on the deck of the platform. Forces from the drilling operation, including hook load and pipe setback, are also transferred through the master skid into the skid beams. The lifting operation consists of 12 main lifts and takes about 6 hours. Total rig-up time from the first lift clears the tender deck until the rig is ready to spud is approximately 3 days. The rig is equipped with a quadruple mast capable of racking 120 feet long stands of drill pipe and casing. The mast comes in 4 sections, hydraulically pinned together. Scoping of the mast is done using dedicated hydraulic winches. The offline activity cantilever being installed here is used for making up and laying down drill pipe, casing and tubing outside the drill floor simultaneously with drilling ahead. As a result of offline activity, the time used per well can be reduced by at least 5 to 10%. After the drilling equipment is installed, the tender moves to the drilling position, approximately 40 to 50 feet from the TLP. Drill pipe, casing or tubing is transported from the pipe deck on the tender to the platform using a high line system. This eliminates the safety hazards that are inherent when handling heavy, long loads using deck-mounted cranes. The pipe is then made up into stands and set back using a mechanized pipe handling system consisting of a hydraulic hawk jaw installed on the offline cantilever and an overhead XY racker which covers the complete setback area. The first joint of the pipe is picked up by the XY racker and set in the first of the 3 mouse holes installed on the offline activity cantilever. Pipe number 2 and 3 are picked up and lifted into the second and third mouse hole. Pipe number 4 is made up to pipe number 1. This double is then made up to the pipe in the second mouse hole, which in turn is made up to the pipe in the third mouse hole, forming a 120-foot stand with 4 drill pipes. The finished stand is transported to the setback area by the XY racker, and the sequence is repeated. In order to be able to make up casing joints which are longer than the drill pipe, the mouse holes are equipped with an adjustable bottom. In this case, a 120-foot stand is made up of 3 joints instead of 4.